Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, hope you all are doing well. So, today I am going to show you how to make theme toggle with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Without wasting time, let's get started. Before starting the video, smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more updates. I always give random shout to my subscribers in my videos. So, today's shoutout goes to Tafim. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, and keep on watching my videos.
Music is bringing, we're flames in the fire that keeps burning. We're inviting the night in. Welcome, my heart so full, I'm devoting myself to the night. There's no motive, we're just listening, we're existing.
So, this is the full tutorial of how to create theme toggle using HTML and CSS. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go check out the project and the source code in the description below. And if you like it, then click the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more. Bye, see you in the next video.